guys, I'm super excited to show you what it looks like. I can't believe, how it's come out. This is my first official paint job. First time ever touching a paint gun and whatnot, and I couldn't be any more happy or thrilled with how it came out. There obviously are, I wouldn't say a crap ton of imperfections, but there's imperfections, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. It can get wet sanded out and then rebuffed. I still have to do that, so there's a video coming for that soon. But guys, I couldn't be any more thrilled, so here we go.
My head, I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Fuck their eye like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on. No, they don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, and we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summer, when I met you in the summertime with your fine ass. Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer, and I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer, whoa, the summertime, the summer. I met you in the summer, yeah, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
There's obviously still much more to go, but what I did was it's painted with the royal blue metallic, and boy oh boy is she pretty. So hopefully the camera can do it justice, but boy oh boy does she sparkle. I don't even know if we're even getting this. Let's see here, let's add even more sunlight here. There's just so much metallic flake in this that it's sparkling, absolutely beautiful. I don't know if the camera can even pick it up. So there is still obviously a lot of work to be done. I still have to wet sand it and then buff it to get rid of all the dust nibs and whatnot and all the imperfections. And I still want to change these. I want them to be black. I want these to be white or black. I got a bumper coming in, a pretty cool off-road bumper with LED pods in it and a winch capability mount. And then I want to put a light bar up on the top, but I don't want just any light bar. I kind of want something that's a little bit cool that has like orange color and effect in it to strobe, you know, kind of like a construction one. And what I also want is to change the rear taillights. I want it tinted, and obviously I have a lift to put in it as well. So there's still obviously a lot of work to be done with this XJ, but I couldn't be any more happier or any more pleased to see how far it's come from being a flat black with rot on the rockers and on the rear quarter panels and having to be completely trashed. For a vehicle that's 215,000 miles on it, some people might say this is not worth it. Not at all. And you guys are probably 100% right. There's no way I'm getting any of my money back for this, even if I choose to resell it, which I don't plan to at all. I kind of want to keep this as I grow up and grow on. I'll have the 66 Mustang that I have on the channel. I'll have this 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ. It's only going to get older from here, and you're only going to see less and less from now on. People, what they like to do with these is like to send them out into the mud pits and whatnot and send them off-roading and trash them. They are a complete tank. They are really good at off-roading. The 4x4 in this is absolutely terrific in snow, sand, mud, any type of terrain, rock crawling. They're really good at what they do. That's why they're used and destroyed. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to destroy it. As you can tell, I'm taking good care of it. I'm redoing it. But the main point behind this is there's so many more videos to come, so please subscribe, like this video, and always keep coming back to the channel. I'll greatly appreciate that.